Pest control is a task done year-round, and winter is no exception. Though mosquitoes and other flying insects seem to disappear, you still need to protect your home against rodents and other overwintering pests. Our homes often serve as shelter for more creatures than ourselves, especially during winter. So in this video, we'll go over some simple winter pest control tips you can use to protect your home from both insect and rodent invasions. For the products in this video and to learn even more about winter pest control, click the icon on the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. The first tip is simple but surprisingly effective. Clean up inside and around your home, and this doesn't mean just vacuum your carpet and rake the lawn. When fall and winter arrives, rodents and insects will be looking for stable sources of shelter, food, and water. Rodents have a very strong sense of smell, and they can use it to find food from far distances. Even cockroaches and flies can detect food that's been left out, or even worse, food that's rotting and giving off a strong odor. First, look around your kitchen and other food storage areas and note any traces of leftover food, crumbs, spills, or rotting organic matter. Inspect plumbing for any leaks and note any other traces of water buildup. Once you've inspected the kitchen and anywhere else food is kept, proceed to inspect other parts of your home, like the bathroom, mudroom, basement, or attic. Note down any sites of clutter and any entry points pests can use to gain access to your home, like door openings, broken screens, or any other cracks and crevices or wall voids. Once you've finished a thorough inspection, you'll need to address the sites you found. Properly seal leftover food in airtight containers. Wipe away any food crumbs or residue. Throw out rotting food and garbage in sealed trash cans. Repair any leaks and eliminate excess moisture. Clean countertops, tables, appliances, and other surfaces to remove any grime and buildup. Organize storage areas, pick up clutter around the house, and make sure containers are elevated off the floor. Outdoors, be sure to rake your lawn, trim back overhanging tree branches, pick up any yard debris, and move lumber piles away from your home. By cleaning in and around your home, you eliminate a big reason why pests would invade in the first place: food and water. Additionally, you've also gotten rid of potential hiding spots by cleaning up clutter and organizing your storage space. The next tip is essential for long-term pest control. To keep pests from approaching your home, apply broad-use residual pesticides and set traps to treat any current pest problems and stop future ones from breaking out. Before starting any treatment, be sure to also wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To stop overwintering insects from invading your property, you'll want to use aerosols like Fipro and Pyrid, along with residual insecticides like Reclaim IT and Defense Dust. These products are great for preventing pests, and you can also use them to control active infestations as well. To treat cracks and crevices and wall voids, use Fipro aerosol. Fipro is a foaming aerosol insecticide that's ideal for controlling ants, termites, stink bugs, beetles, and other wall-infesting insects. Fipro is also a non-repellent insecticide, which means that after application, a pest will be unable to detect the pesticide as they walk through it. Not only that, Fipro is systemic and offers a unique secondary effect where any pest that comes into contact with the product will unknowingly transfer it to the rest of the colony. So it's great to prevent and control insects around the home or structure. To use Fipro, shake the can thoroughly, then push the included application straw into the nozzle, and you're ready to apply. Spray along the lengths of cracks and crevices and allow the foam to expand. After application, hold the can in place for about 8 seconds to allow the product in the straw to dispense into the treatment area. Fipro has a long-lasting residual and will protect treated areas from overwintering pests, but we recommend you make follow-up applications every 30 days for total protection. If you're currently dealing with an active infestation, you can use Pyrid aerosol. Pyrid is an insecticide aerosol that's used to treat many insects, like mosquitoes, wasps, or bedbugs. It's great to use in tight cracks and crevices where overwintering pests may be hiding for a quick elimination. This product is made with pyrethrins, a botanical insecticide, so it's safe to use in more sensitive areas, though you should still keep people and pets away from the treated areas until the vapors have dispersed. To use Pyrid as a crack and crevice treatment, just remove the white applicator, attach the provided red applicator, and make sure the straw is firmly affixed in the spout. Shake the can and spray along the lengths of any cracks or crevices where overwintering pests may be hiding. When treating cracks and crevices, you just want to spray in quick bursts, usually about 1 second of spray per foot. Pyrid does not leave a residual, but it's an excellent contact spray with a powerful knockdown and a quick kill. Next, apply Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a liquid insecticide concentrate that's labeled to control and repel over 70 pests. Use Reclaim IT as a barrier spray. We recommend you use a rate of 1 fluid ounce of Reclaim IT per 1 gallon of water. This will treat about 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We also recommend you use a hand pump sprayer due to its ease of use and versatility. To use a hand pump sprayer, open the sprayer, add half a gallon of water, and add your measured amount of Reclaim IT. Add the remaining half gallon, close the sprayer, and shake to ensure an even distribution. Pump your sprayer a few times to produce a low pressure spray. Use a coarse, low-pressure fan setting and make a barrier treatment around the exterior entry points of your home. Be sure to spray around doors, windows, the garage door, voids in the wall, utility penetrations including light fixtures, and other cracks and crevices overwintering insects can use to invade your home or hide in. Then spray around the perimeter of your home by spraying 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Be careful not to over-apply your product to spots that you've already treated. By treating the entry points and your structure's perimeter, you'll stop overwintering pests from seeking shelter in your home. Under regular conditions, Reclaim IT's residual can last up to 90 days, protecting your home through winter all the way to spring. Finally, use Defense Dust to treat hard-to-reach spaces and voids, cracks, and crevices. Defense Dust is a dry, water-resistant insecticidal dust that can be applied to stop many pests from invading structures or seeking shelter. Like Fipro, this product is used to prevent insects from harboring in tight spaces. However, Defense Dust is dry, allowing it to be used around sensitive areas like behind electrical plates or underneath appliances and baseboards. If left undisturbed, the dust can remain effective for up to 8 months. To use Defense Dust, you'll need a handheld duster with a long, narrow spout to treat tight cracks and crevices. Fill the duster about halfway with dust, leaving plenty of room for air circulation. Hold the duster with the cavity toward the bottom, shake, and squeeze the duster to apply the product. You can apply Defense Dust indoors in cracks and crevices where you suspect pest activity. Be sure to treat along baseboards, behind electrical plates, underneath appliances, and in the attic. In addition to insecticides, there are also traps and rodenticides you can use to stop rodent activity. To stop rats and mice from invading your home, you can use snap traps, glue traps, and bait blocks. Continue to wear your PPE, but gloves are especially important so you don't leave human scent on the traps that rodents will avoid. Set traps around common entry points around the interior of the perimeter. We recommend you use a combination of Easy Set snap traps and Pro Glue trays for quick placement. To set up an Easy Set snap trap, bait the trap's trigger plate and simply pull back on the upright bar until the trap locks in place. When set properly, any rodent that triggers the trap will be killed instantly. To set up Pro Glue trays, simply remove the trays from the package, pull the trays apart, and they're ready to place. Additionally, you can also use Pro Glue boards in place of or along with the glue trays. These boards can be folded into a box shape, creating an environment that encourages small house mice to travel through. To set up the Pro Glue boards, simply peel off the wax paper to expose the glue. From there, you can fold the trap along the perforated lines to create a box, or leave it flat. The Pro Glue board is excellent for controlling house mice and insects, but larger rodents may be strong enough to break free from the glue. Place your traps around common entry points or where rodents will travel, like around garage doors, around plumbing, or underneath or behind furniture or clutter. Traps are great for monitoring pest activity because you can see exactly which pests you caught and then take further steps if activity increases. Be sure to set the traps out of the reach of children or pets. If you're currently dealing with a rodent infestation, you can start rodent control with Eradication Rodent Bait. Eradication is a powerful rodenticide that's peanut butter scented. It's essentially food for targeted rodents. The bait blocks contain diphacinone, a blood-thinning chemical that will kill rodents within a few days. When using Eradication, it's important to place it within a tamper-proof bait station. A bait station houses rodenticide bait blocks and provides rats and mice with favorable conditions to consume the bait. For safety, it's designed with a tamper-resistant lid that requires a key to open. This will prevent children and pets from getting to the bait inside. Just rig a few bait stations with your bait blocks and set them outside along your home or fence perimeter. Rodents travel along walls, so be sure to set your station's entryways against the foundation or fence so rats and mice have an easier time getting in. Be sure to set your stations at least 8 to 10 feet apart for better efficiency. Rodents that eat the bait will travel back to their nests and die within several days. With your home treated, move on to the next tip, Exclusion and Integrated Pest Management, or IPM. This will ensure that pests can't infest your home or structure, nor will they even have the opportunity to do so. First, address the entry points around your home or structure's exterior that you noted during inspection. Seal tight cracks and crevices with caulk, and larger voids will need to be stuffed with copper mesh. Stuff-it copper mesh is a durable, sturdy, moisture-resistant mesh material used to keep pests, especially rodents, outside of structures. The mesh itself is durable enough to where rodents cannot chew through it. Be sure to seal all openings from the ground to the roof to stop all insects and rodents from invading your home. Repair any broken door and window screens you may have found, as well as repair their seals. If necessary, you may need to install screens over your vents. Next, utilize IPM strategies to make your property less conducive for pests. Trim back vegetation away from your structure, including any overhanging branches from nearby trees if you haven't already. Insects and rodents can use overgrowth to gain access to additional entry points around your structure. Continue to rake, dethatch, and aerate your lawn to encourage air circulation. This will encourage drainage and stop standing water from forming in your lawn. All animals and insects need water, so regulating your lawn's moisture will encourage pests to move elsewhere. Finally, be sure to keep up with regular pesticide treatments and replace traps when needed. Use Pirate as necessary and make reapplications of Fipro once every 30 days. Check your bait stations and rodent traps once every few days. If rodents are consuming the bait, replenish as necessary until the activity stops. Snap and glue traps should be moved if you've caught nothing and you suspect active rodents. Despite the drop in activity, winter still has plenty of pest control that needs to be done in order to protect your home from insects and rodents. With these professional tips and products from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can maintain a pest-free home throughout the year, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.